Yo, what's up? I don't know if you can hear me, but we're in Mexico City. It's Dia de los Muertos. There's a parade going on behind us. Thousands of people here for the parade. It's pretty celebratory, that's for sure, and pretty stimulating. So, hopefully you'll enjoy this video. It's gonna be pretty quiet on my side, but you'll get to see the culture and the celebrations of Dia de los Muertos here in Mexico City. Enjoy.
This is ground control to Major Tom. You've really made the grade, and the papers want to know whose shirt you wear. Now it's time to leave the capsule if you dare.
All the people standing on stools. It's madness. This is Plaza Reforma here in Mexico City. As you can see, that I am trying to find somewhere to stand, but that's not gonna happen. So let's go for a walk. So I've been in Mexico City now for about a week, and I got 2 more weeks here before I go back to the States for a good month or 2, and then I'll be in Argentina. So I've been in Mexico now for the last about 4 months. It's been a great time for sure. And here they're selling pizza. Let's see, you can see so many people filming this. It's very important. The whole city is practically shut down. These guys have a ladder in order to see. When it would really pay off to be a bit taller. That would really help right now. If I was just about 1 foot taller, like her. Where are the... Where are the tall genetics when you need them, eh? The sun is behind me, so I'm kind of screwing my lighting right now. So yeah. This is Dia de los Muertos. I figure I'll just kind of show you guys rather than talk you through it, because I don't know what I would be talking about. And basically here it's like honoring their dead. It's a much bigger thing than it would be in the States. So if you want to enjoy your next Halloween, might be the place to do it, even though that's not what it's called here. See if I can find a spot. All right.
Vale, acá desde a 10 pesos, ahí está la diadema de a 10.
As you can see, it just keeps going and going. And there's got to be like 100,000 people out here. And yeah, it's pretty wild. So, when you can't get a good view like me, and everything just isn't going right, I mean, look at all this. This is just one small block. This goes miles and miles down both directions. When you can't get a good view, you buy a cigarette. You smoke that motherfucker. And you go ask to ride in a tuk-tuk. That's what I might do. I've always had a goal to ride in a tuk-tuk. And I think I'm gonna fulfill that maybe today. Let's see. Don't smoke, kids. Oh, the aftertaste to that one. You know, the Marlboro Gold Dorados. Fine cigarette. But yeah, here in Mexico City, I mean, so much going on. I'm not actually a fan too big of these distinct afterburst. I'm not too much of a fan of these big events with, I mean, literally hundreds of thousands of people, because it's so loud and just so much going on that you can't really even like focus too much. But hey, still pretty cool. People hanging up on trees and shit. Cool statue. You can see a little skeleton guy. people on top of things, on top of metro stations. Jesus. I would say this is the biggest Dia de Muertos festival in the world. So yeah, that's the festival. Sorry I didn't get to show too much of it, but yeah, things have been really good. My business is doing well, it's growing, so I've been really focused on that. Haven't been making too many videos since when I was in Mazatlan. I was in Mazatlan for 3 months, and yeah, Mazatlan was great. A lot of surfing, a lot of, you know, had a little girlfriend type thing for the first time in a while, so that was cool, you know. But yeah, other than that, Mexico City's cool. I highly suggest coming here. I mean, tons of cool cafes, restaurants, super walkable, a lot of cool places to walk, to see. I'm not a huge big city guy, like I'm from Ohio, so you know, I get tired of it a little bit, of like so many people, of traffic, and you know, crazy shit like this going on. It's not too much my vibe. It's, you know, it's so like, it's like fucking neutered. No, está bien. It's like neutered, but I mean, it's still cool for a few weeks for me. So yeah, I mean, after Mexico City, hopefully I'll do 1 or 2 more videos here at least. I got some really cool stuff, and there's gonna be some more cool stuff in this video. I think I'm gonna be able to show you if this thing is open. And yeah, I mean, then I'll go home to the Ohio for a bit. I'll do a vlog when I'm in Ohio. I'm gonna be hunting, so I'll do a video there hunting. Hopefully I'll get a deer on video and take one down. We'll see. I didn't take one down last year. And then after Ohio, I'll be in Buenos Aires for at least a month. Buenos Aires for a month, and then Patagonia Mountains. We're gonna go big time for Patagonia Mountains and hire a videographer. This party's gonna go on all night. And the wild thing is, my apartment that I'm staying in, or my hotel, is across the street, which the parade is going on. So I literally cannot get to where I'm staying, which is a bit problematic for me if I want to sleep. So yeah, it's gonna go on a long time. And yeah, let's see if I can go see what I can see. Let's see. Vamos a ver. Here we go. Here's a little more quiet park type of vibe and chill. Some nice plants, dudes biking. Got dudes with guitars over there. You got something that looks like, I mean, these look like, they look like things that I remember from Night at the Museum, not Night at the Caribbean, Night at the Museum. Pretty crazy.